Okay, now we're all seasoned up.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna get them on the grill. We're gonna do a 2-step cooking process.
Okay.
So the first step is a 400-degree sear to get a beautiful bark and crust on these.
Okay.
We'll pull them off the heat.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna lower the temperature on the grill.
Okay, how do you lower the temperature?
So what we're gonna do is I put a little bit of charcoal in the grill
Mm-hmm.
and I open up the dampers
Yeah.
to get a nice hot fire.
Okay.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the grate off, put some more unlit charcoal on top,
Yeah.
and then lower the dampers and put the barbecue guru control on
Okay.
and let the Ultra Q take over.
Oh, that's great.
And that's gonna just maintain that 275 to 300 for the second process.
Yeah.
And we're gonna braise it in a nice braising liquid with some onions, garlic, shallots, peppers,
Yeah.
and beef broth and some of my beef seasoning
Yeah.
in a cast iron Dutch oven.
Okay.
And that's gonna really render this down to the point where it pulls.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll make a beautiful pulled beef sandwich with some grilled red onions, some pickles on a nice roll.
Yeah.
It's gonna be delicious.
That sounds great. I can't
All
wait.
right. Awesome. Oh, beautiful.